All right.
Oh, look at this guy.
Dynam sbach 342. Top Gun.
Top Gun.
Wally boy.
This by no ways is
Trojan man.
Boys
And what's your handle at YouTube?
Spike.
Spike. Spike. Okay. Also the wall, eh? Holy shit.
You need that for that fellow.
Yeah, I was just checking. Hey,
Okay.
right.
How is it?
I like it. I like the way you set it up.
I can't even fucking see this thing, man. Oh, there it is.
I'm just doing loops for now. I'm not doing anything fancy. I just want to get the hang of this thing.
Get the hang of it. Come on, let's see some tricks.
Get to know your plane, yeah.
Turns on a dime.
Got lots of control. Yeah, it does.
I don't even know if this is on camera or not. Should be. Not like float flying last weekend. That was awesome.
Yeah, float flying is the shit.
It's too bad you weren't there for that last flight Monday morning. It was great.
The flight that never happened?
Buddy, ask your dad. Your dad walked over there because he saw my plane flying over their trailer park. He walked up there and saw me down there flying. It was awesome.
They got some speed to it, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Is that even full pin?
This is full pin right here.
Did you shit your pants over there? You're still nervous?
I know, it smells like acid on here.
Total crosswind now, eh?
I'll try some stuns.
Alright, the sun's behind a cloud. That's nice. Now I can see what the hell's going on here. Take advantage of the sun being behind the cloud, man. It's not going to be there for long. On a dime, eh? That thing's, should have bought one yesterday.
I thought you said you weren't doing business with those guys.
I'm not. I'll get one down at USA Hobby down in Bellingham. Knowing my luck, I'll buy it and there'll be something wrong with it, and then they'll, you know, well, you already put it together. You can't take it back now. Fly plane for 30 seconds and you're not happy with it. Then you're screwed.
Hey, Rod.
Yo.
How long did these batteries go with
25 minutes.
that? Huh?
I don't know, I've only been up for like 5 minutes.
Did you set your timer?
I'm at 4 minutes and a second. In like 20 seconds?
You got your tester?
Huh?
You got your tester?
Yeah.
You can test it while it's still plugged in.
How?
Oh, land your plane and then plug the tester.
Getting really windy now, man.
You're a tough one to bring in when it's windy.
It'd be easier to land it when you hit the power lines and just let it fall, I think. Holy shit. Oh no. It's a hurricane, buddy. Look at those trees blowing. Look at Holy boy! Look at that, eh? Windsock. This guy's so screwed.
There you go.
Oh man, look at that, eh? Look at it looking good. Oh my god. It was looking good, buddy.
Those things are never gonna break off. It just died because I was like, whoa!
Well, that's what happens when you fly in a hurricane. I mean, look at the Yeah.
You know how heavy that is.
Look at the trees blowing.
Well, it broke in the same spot again.
Yeah, so it's a clean break.
Look at that.
It did the exact same
What do
thing.
you use for glue?
Hypoxy.
Hey,
Epoxy?
all the more reason to get pontoons, buddy. Oh,
Oh no!
you have to fill that in with some of that stuff that Mike's got, and then
the sbach sticker.
What the hell's this stuff with the mic swatch?
you get this stuff spackle, you know, the lightweight spackle from like Home Hardware, and you go, and then you just cover it with black paint. And done.
Does it make that noise too?
Yeah.
It's a gap filler. It's like mud. You just smear it in there, smooth it off, sand it.
It won't hurt anything as far as its flying capability. It'll just look like
It's
crap.
just cosmetics.
Just
Got a couple
cosmetic.
scrapes.
I'll put,
Yeah,
I'll put,
scraped,
that, I'll put that
scraped your
sticker
wing too,
on
buddy.
it. We'll be good
Scraped
to
I'll
go.
bring it on Monday.
All right, just hand toss it and just bellow land it in the grass.
Top gun.